representing women in the law enforcement sector. Judy Santos Gutierrez. Chair, okay po kayo. Maraming salamat po. And another presenter of the award is none other than the past president, Ma'am Rosella Shai Pagdilao. Thank you very much for ma'am. This award honors the extraordinary representation of police women who use their various talents to fulfill their crime prevention roles, empowering indigenous women and girls, and serving the Filipino youth. Ito po, excited din po kami dito dahil andito po. The award is further reinforced by the very physical presence of this award-giving body here, which celebrates the talents of the many Filipino people. Not just the Filipino people, but also another woman in uniform. May I call on the police, lieutenant, colonel, mind behind this Habing Katutubo, founder of the 6 years that is running. Now, we are all witnessing it. Police Lieutenant Colonel Myla C. Alog. Kabagang natin sa mundo at kultura ng paghahabi. Congratulations po, Police Lieutenant Colonel. Police Lieutenant Colonel Myla Alog is a wife to a fellow police officer. Kaklase po niya ang kanyang napangasawa na nasa PNPA din po. And a mother of 2. Her patriotism exceeds with artistic talents and skills. Habang siya po ay nagpupulis ng mga taliwas ng mga kriminalidad, siya po ay busy rin nag-uplift ng ating malapit na halos makalimutang kultura ng paghahabi. And while we were talking off stage kanina, I felt her passion. So, congratulations, Colonel Alog. Naramdaman ko ang passion mo at nasa puso mo talaga ang paghahabi na ito. And we would like to congratulate you for this award. Along with that plaque, we present to you the Surreptitious International of the Americas Philippines Region token, a commemorative plate of another yet talented national artist. Congratulations po. Isang masigabong palakpakan, lalo na po sa mga kakampi namin dito na gusto taguyod ng ating paghahabi ng tapestries. Maraming salamat. At kami po ay binigyan ng daan para makapag-celebrate nitong award. Yes, hopefully, makasali kami.
Isin mo ng sarili at pili, pagdiwa